In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tell if a website is built on Squarespace. This simple yet effective guide will empower you to uncover the framework behind any website, particularly if you're considering Squarespace for your own projects, or simply out of curiosity. First off, let's dive into the practical aspect of our mission. Begin by opening your browser and navigating to the website you're eager to investigate. It doesn't matter which website it is, as long as you have permission to access it, of course. Once you're on the site, take a moment to appreciate its design. It might be the last thing you see before you dive into the behind-the-scenes coding world. Ready to peek under the hood? Simply right-click anywhere on the page. It's best to avoid clicking on images or links to ensure you get the full context menu. From the menu that appears, look for the option labelled View Page Source and click on it. This will open a new tab or window filled with the raw code that powers the website you're exploring. It might look daunting at first, but fear not, you only need to find a needle in this digital haystack. To locate what we're after, press the Ctrl and F keys simultaneously on your keyboard. This shortcut triggers the Find function, allowing you to search through the text on the current page. Now it's time to type in template ID into the search box. If you're on a Mac, the command is slightly different. You'll use Command and F, but the outcome will be the same. Hit enter and see what comes up. The presence of a template ID in the search results is a strong indicator that this website was crafted using Squarespace. Why? Squarespace uses unique template IDs to differentiate between the customizable templates available on its platform. To further solidify your findings, let's conduct one more search. This time type in Squarespace and peruse the results. Finding multiple instances or keywords related to Squarespace in the source code serves as further confirmation. The abundance of results tied to Squarespace not only verifies the use of the platform, but also gives you a glimpse into how deeply integrated Squarespace elements are within the site. And there you have it. A straightforward, no-nonsense approach to identifying whether a website runs on Squarespace. Armed with this knowledge, you can now satisfy your curiosity, draw inspiration, or even conduct competitive research with ease. Remember, the digital world is vast, and understanding the tools that shape it can only add to your skill set. Happy exploring, and stay tuned for more handy guides.